around a corner. Start off with here, and then I'm wanting to clone that, but look, it's the wrong angle. So what I can do is use Alt Shift, like I have on the screen there, the angle brackets, and I can move that around and get that exactly. See, I think I've slightly overshot that. Let's go back a little bit. I think that's it. There. So yeah, that's what it does. It and click here, and using Shift Alt, Shift Alt and the angle bracket keys, the ones used for programming. I don't know what use they are otherwise. So yeah, if I really overdo it, you can see that it's very slow actually. So there I've gone way past what I should have, where it should be. So I'll just bring it back. So I can sort of clone around an arch or a circle. Okay, that's about it. Okay, cheers.